Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. The holidays are here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Brazilian dessert that is absolutely perfect for Christmas. Pavê de chocolate. This dessert is super easy to make, with creamy layers of chocolate, crunchy biscuits, and a sweet rich flavor that everyone will love. It's the kind of dessert that looks fancy but is incredibly simple to prepare. If you're looking for a holiday treat that'll wow your guests, this is it. Let's get started. For this delicious pavê, you'll need 1 pack of ladyfinger biscuits, but you can also use any other biscuit you prefer, like Maria biscuits or even chocolate biscuits. 2 cups of milk, this will make our base nice and creamy. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, this gives the pavê its sweetness and rich texture. 1 cup of heavy cream for an extra smooth and velvety texture. 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate, this will give us that deep chocolate flavor. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, this enhances the chocolatey taste. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, this adds a lovely aroma and flavor. 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance the sweetness. Finally, some chocolate chips or grated chocolate for the garnish. Now that we have everything ready, let's get cooking. First, we're going to make the creamy chocolate filling. In a medium-sized saucepan, add 2 cups of milk and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Heat this over medium heat, stirring constantly. You don't want it to boil, just heat it up enough to combine the ingredients. Once the milk mixture is warm, break the 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate into small pieces and add it to the saucepan. Stir it continuously until the chocolate melts completely and the mixture becomes smooth. Now add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir this all together until it's nice and smooth. Keep cooking for about 2 minutes until the mixture thickens slightly. Once it reaches a thick but pourable consistency, remove it from the heat and set it aside to cool. It's important to let it cool for a little while before we start layering it in the dessert. While the chocolate cream is cooling, let's prepare the biscuits. You can use ladyfingers or any biscuit you have. I'm using regular ladyfingers, but if you can find chocolate biscuits, that would be amazing for a double chocolate effect. For a lighter texture, you can dip the biscuits quickly into milk to soften them. Don't soak them for too long, just a quick dip so they stay firm and create a nice contrast with the creamy filling. Start by laying the biscuits at the bottom of your serving dish, covering it with a single layer. Once you have the first layer of biscuits, pour half of the chocolate cream over them. Spread it evenly using a spatula. Repeat the process, add another layer of biscuits, then pour the rest of the chocolate cream over it. Make sure the chocolate cream is spread evenly, so every bite will have the perfect amount of flavor. After the second layer is done, smooth out the top with a spatula. To finish, let's add some extra chocolate to top it off. You can either sprinkle chocolate chips or grate some chocolate over the top for a beautiful finish. I love using dark chocolate for this, as it balances the sweetness perfectly. If you want to get extra festive, you can decorate it with some whipped cream or even a few berries for a touch of color. The best part is that this dessert is no bake, and it only needs to chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours or even overnight to set perfectly. Now I'll share a few tips and variations for your pavê. If you want to give it an extra flavor boost, try adding a shot of espresso to the milk mixture. This gives the chocolate a deep, rich flavor that pairs perfectly with the sweetness. You can also experiment with different types of chocolate. Try using milk chocolate for a sweeter, creamier filling, or even white chocolate for a different twist. Another variation is to add layers of fruit, like bananas or strawberries, in between the layers of chocolate. This gives the dessert a fruity contrast and makes it even more refreshing. And if you're feeling extra indulgent, you can even drizzle caramel sauce over the top. Once it's chilled and the flavors have had time to meld together, your pavê de chocolate is ready to serve. It's the perfect dessert for any holiday gathering, rich, creamy, and just the right amount of sweetness. I hope you give this easy and delicious recipe a try. It's simple enough to make ahead of time, which makes it a great option for holiday parties or dinners. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more festive recipes like this one. I'd love to hear how your pavê turned out, so tag me on social media if you try it. Thanks for watching and happy holidays! See you in the next video!